Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well and keeping safe. Today's video is all about the MALM dressing table from IKEA. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. If you're old, thank you for staying tuned with me and welcome back. So as you can already see, I've done a little DIY here. This only took me like 15 minutes, nothing more. But I'm just going to explain to you quickly what I did. And then I'm just going to insert a quick video of the transition. It's only 11 minutes long. It's nothing big. So first of all, I purchased the DC Fix. This is the gloss in black from Wilkinson. And I think it was £5 to £8 along that price. And yes, this is the longer version, the big one. Ideally, I wanted to put I wanted to cover the whole of the top, but I thought it's gonna make my room look too black because already I've got grey wallpaper, which I'm due to change anyway. But yeah, so I just thought I'll go with the black and white, you know, just to give it a pop of color. But I hate it. I really hate it with passion. I don't know why. I don't like it. So what I want to do now is change it to the rose gold and marble effect. I'm going to insert a picture of how that looks. Leave a comment below if you think that one will look better and it will brighten it up. Also, I'm going to get some door handles at the front of the drawers so that it's easy for me to open instead of just, you know, sliding it from here. That is just a long process. So yes, I'm going to do that, and that's going to come out in the next video. But yeah, I'm just going to obviously show you quickly what I did. So I cut this in the long what do you call it, I cut this using the width. Is it a width or the length? I'm not even quite sure which one is which. But anyways, there's some measurements on there which helps you which helps and guide you on, you know, how to cut it. If you can see, it's got some measurement numbers on the grid, so that helps you to cut it along to the length that you need. And basically what you're going to do is when you finish cutting it, all you're going to do is just put it along from here to there. But what I did was I started from here and then I brought it all the way to the end here. Obviously, when you finish, you can cut the excess that you don't need off there, which, you know, is okay. And then what you're going to need is a credit card to basically just, you know, give it a little scrape so that all the bubbles can come out of it. When you finish and you can feel some bubbles in there, it's so simple. Just use a safety pin to just, you know, pop them out, and then again use the credit card to just go over it again to make it smooth. If you're not in a rush, you can also use blow dryer to just, you know, go over it so that it sticks deeply. Because I was having second thoughts, I didn't use the blow dryer. I wasn't sure whether I wanted to keep it or not because I didn't want it to stick firmly so that when I'm taking it off, it causes damage. So yes, like I said, this is the final outcome. I'm not happy with it. I don't really like it. So yeah, give me your views. Let me know what you think. And I'm going to insert the video, like I said, from the transition of how I did it. And yeah, just like the video, comment, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification if you're new to my channel. Take care and see you all next week. Bye. So this is the final product of what I have done, and yeah, I really do hope that you get a glimpse of how easy it is to change your furnitures without going out to buy a new one. So yeah, hope this helps, and if you have any comments below or any advice on what you're supposed to do, please leave a message below and I will surely get back to you. Take care guys, and thank you for watching again. Bye.